This is a prototype of an early version of Hive, our modular Raspberry Pi compute platform. After more than a year running, it was sent back to our workbench for a quick pit stop before moving it to a new data center. But first, we wanted to spend some time with it because while this setup proved that the concept worked, it also exposed some of the limitations of that stage of the project. So let's take a closer look at what we learned from it. If you've been following the project for a while, you might recognize this prototype. We introduced it when we first deployed it in the IT department at IP Global, proving itself in a real-world environment. The first thing worth mentioning is that foundation proved to be solid. After reviewing the prototype, there was no significant deterioration in the core system. All nodes work and connect reliably, and the backplane board does its job. This prototype validated the architecture behind the project, but the most valuable thing it gave us wasn't validation, it was feedback. Looking back, many of the lessons we learned came from the same place: complexity. This version required more assembly steps and more manual work than we wanted, and one of the best examples of that was the original rail system. Each node was guided by 4 rubber inserts running inside metallic rails. The concept worked just okay, but over time the rubber started to wear. And because all 4 guides had to engage together, insertion wasn't always as precise as we wanted. As you can see, the node can move slightly from side to side until all 4 rubber inserts engage with the rails and guide it into its final position before reaching the backplane. It always worked, but we knew we could do better. We learned a few lessons from the front panel as well. The original design left open gaps around the nodes, exposing the internal structure to dust. It was just not the way we wanted the final product to look and feel. The node itself revealed another source of complexity. That version required too many screws and assembly steps. The cooling system relied on a CNC machined anodized aluminum enclosure making direct contact with the CM5, so that the entire enclosure would act as a heat dissipator. To be fair, it was a good idea, but it also made manufacturing more expensive and compatibility harder to warranty across different module layouts. In the end, the biggest lesson here was that the entire system could be simpler, and that, in design, is not as easy as it sounds. This prototype validated the architecture, but it also showed us opportunities to improve precision, simplify assembly, and create a better overall experience. Many of those lessons directly influenced the current stage of the project. What started as a distributed computing platform built around Raspberry Pi compute modules has evolved into what it is now, Hive. And while this video is just focused on mechanical design, this project has continued to evolve across every layer of the system, from electronics and hardware to software and management tools. We are documenting the whole journey as we go. If you'd like to follow the project, give us your feedback, or just be part of the community we are building around Hive, we'd love to have you with us. You'll find all the links down below and on the channel homepage. We are getting closer to bringing Hive to Kickstarter, and we'd love to have you with us when that day comes. And remember, in a Hive, all bees count.